So we have what it's called the model, which I think is the best secret there is. Not that well kept, but it's there available. I think this is a secret to life. It can change anything, really, except obviously our circumstances. So we have C, that stands for circumstances. Those are the things out there in the world which we cannot control. That is like gravity. It is things that everyone would agree on. It is things that could be proven in a court of law. Those are facts. So that thing's just there. This is the bird. That's the stars. 20 degrees outside. That's a fact. You can prove it. Now, our thoughts plus our feelings plus minus our actions result in our R over here, which is our results, stands for results. So you can see here I've put plus minus. I like to say plus minus because these are the actions. Really, the thoughts cause our feelings. Feelings cause actions, determines what actions we take. Do we take actions or don't we take actions? Actions or inactions. So that's caused by our feelings, how we feel, which causes the results. That's the result we have in our lives. Now, circumstances are outside, things already mentioned. And then they just trigger the beginning of the equation. They just trigger our thoughts, which cause feelings, which cause actions, and have a result. Let's say, for example, outside is 20 degrees. For me, I'm like, not hot enough to go outside. So I feel not satisfied. So I decide, okay, I'm going to take an action. I'm going to stay inside. Okay, I'm going to stay inside. I'm not going to go outside. I'm going to stay inside and read a book or work. Then the result I have is I stay inside because my thought was not hot enough to go outside. So I stay inside. All right. Someone else here could have thought about 20 degrees as too hot, and they might feel annoyed. So and then their actions could be they go outside, try to find somewhere cool, somewhere comfortable, or they stay inside, put the aircon on. But as a result, they get annoyed by the fact that it's too hot. They can't seem to find the right balance. Could be a result. Okay, so if you change your actions, if you take more actions, you can see I've put a plus minus because it almost like nets itself out. That's how I want to offer it to you. It nets itself out. Whether you put more actions, chances you're gonna have like inactions that you will. So you could try and change the equation by taking more action, but you'll probably end up with less certain parts of things that you want to do. Okay, so this basically nets itself out, right? So that won't work. So you can try then changing how you feel. Okay, now how do we change how we feel? Is it possible to change how you feel? No, unless you have changed how you think. Right? You can avoid feeling, but how you avoid is by trying to change your actions. So the only way then to balance the equation is to change how you think, which is where your power is. So you can change how you think, which would have you feeling a different emotion. And then you have you taking cause different actions and inactions. and causing you your ultimate results, which is what you want. You want a result, don't you? You want a result. Why do you want a result? It's because you want to feel a certain way. You don't actually want a result because you want to work for it, of the action. You want because you want to feel a certain way. And the only way to feel differently is to change your thinking. That's what I'd like to offer you for today's maths lesson. Have a good one.